Our weekend is looking bright. I know that already today we've been battling it with the clouds, but at least we have some sun on our Friday, and our weekend will be no exception. Saturday, however, we'll notice a little more cloud cover that'll be moving in, as temperatures, though, will actually be very close to the seasonal temperatures that we should have, which is about 40 degrees. But by Sunday, we'll have even more sun and a little more of a mild feel. Let's just add 10 degrees on top of Saturday, and you'll find Sunday at 50 degrees. So not bad if you're going to be out and about. I know some folks in southeast Michigan are probably happy to see a dry forecast, as they are, one, without power, but two, trying to clean up as far as all the ice in those down tree limbs. Now, temperatures, if you're going to be out there maybe doing some of that cleanup, we're currently on the cooler side than yesterday. No 50s or 60s on here, when we have 33 in Toledo, 32 in Defiance. We have 31 in Fremont. Port Clinton is at 30 right now. So many of us right around freezing, but just not as mild. And since we do have those cooler conditions, you are going to find here on Doppler radar, lake effect, it's back up and going for us. It's not as strong as what it was this morning. So if you're going to be traveling towards Cleveland for the weekend, you won't run into any snags. If you're going to be going north, you're not going to run into any snags either. You may just notice a couple of snowflakes that try to make it into southeast Michigan, coming all the way from Lake Michigan. But it's been so mild, we haven't really talked a lot lately on lake effect. And with the mild temperatures out, we're not really talking a lot of snow. Here's a heads up just in case you disconnect over the weekend. By Monday, we have a system that's going to be getting close. So we're going to actually start out with some rain. The warm front is going to push close, and then we're going to actually have the cold front that sweeps through. So we'll have that cold front moving through during the afternoon, even into the evening, bringing us even the chance for a rumble of thunder as that cold front passes. But behind it, the system will slowly make its way out Monday night, and then we'll turn that forecast to a little bit more of a drier no. Now, not only are a rumble of thunder a sign of spring, but even our spring countdown. We are 3 weeks away from St. Patrick's Day, and that's when average temperatures should be around 49 degrees. And it doesn't take long. Just a couple of days later, on March 31st, we'll be at Fifth Third Field enjoying the Mud Hens playing on the field again. Average highs will be around 55 by the time we get to the end of March. And then early April, Easter, 44 days away, average high would be around 59 degrees. And then I'm even going to jump ahead way in the calendar, Memorial Day. That is 94 days from now, and the average high would be around 78 degrees. So you can really see that we're turning the corner here, not only with daylight, but spring countdown. Even the unofficial start to summer for some folks is Memorial Day, and you can tell when we're talking temperatures into the upper 70s. However, that's not the topic for today. We're hovering right around that freezing mark, so it's kind of like the freezer box again out there as we have that cooler feeling, those clouds increasing as we go through the day, because Saturday, like I said, a little more cloud cover, but still dry weather for the weekend. By Monday, we are going to have some showers and even those thunderstorms that we'll be monitoring for, but dry weather Tuesday, Wednesday, until another system late next week, when we're going to be seeing some rainy conditions. Though it's going to be mild on Monday, that doesn't last. You're going to find temperatures into the 40s, still above average in this forecast, but happy to see days 9 and 10 Saturday and Sunday with more dry weather, just how we want it on a weekend.